Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to clear cache on your iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you want to make your iPhone work faster and you want to delete your cache of your iPhone, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to simply go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. Now what you have to do, you have to simply go to setting, and you have to simply search for cache here. And if you do not find any kind of option here, then you have to simply go to settings again, and you have to look for formal. But if you do not find, then there is no option available, then you have to simply go to apps, because you cannot clear the cache of the iPhone at the same time, but you can simply clear the cache or offload the data in terms of that app. For example, if you want to see any kind of app detail and any option available, so here you have to simply look for that app and you have to open that app. Moreover, you can also change the settings of that app by simply press and holding that app. Moreover, you can also change the settings by going into the settings, and after that you have to simply go back, and here you have to simply look for general, and you have to simply go to iPhone storage, and this time you have to simply look for which kind of app has more memory, which means it has more cache. So you have to simply open the app, and here is the option available. So in iPhone there is no option available related to cache, so the only option is available is offloading of the app. So here you can simply offload app on your iPhone iOS 18, and after that that app will have been deleted all the data. So you have to simply download the app again, and it will work faster than ever. So there is no option available like cache or system cache on iPhone, but you can simply offload the app so that your iPhone work faster or that app can work faster. So hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.